Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again we will start with the exercise 10.2 of class 8 chapter 10 exponents and powers. Question 1 and 2 already I had completed. So let's start with the question 3. What is given here? Question 3. Express the numbers appearing in the following statements in standard form. That means whatever number is given, you have to convert that, you have to express that into the standard form. So what is your first question? 1 micron is equal to 1 by, see this number is given, meter. Okay, this you have to convert, this number you have to convert in standard form. Got it? Now what is standard form? That is the short form. First, what we will write here? 1 by, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. Therefore, we can write this as a 10 raised to 6. Okay. Now, I am writing this number in the form of 1 into 1 by 10 raised to 6. Okay. See here. Why I wrote? Because value is not changing. 1 into 1 by 10 raised to the power 6 means 1 by 10 raised to the power 6 only. Now this 10 raised to the power 6 we are taking in numerator. So which law we are applying? A raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a raised to the power m. See that? Now this value is in the form of 1 by a raised to the power m plus m, isn't it? So when you are taking that in numerator, it becomes a raised to the power minus m. That means 10 raised to the power minus 6. So what you will get? 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Okay. Why I wrote this 1? Because we have to write that in the form of natural number and into multiple of 10, that is exponent of 10. Got it? Therefore, I have written here 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now come to the next. Second is given charge of an electron is given this big number. Okay. Now this you have to convert in the standard form. Now again see that here decimal point is given. Here is the decimal point. You have to shift this decimal point after first natural number. That means after 1. Okay. So what you will get? 1.6. Next number is 6. Now into 10 raised to power. Now see here. How many places we are shifting? That will be your power. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and after 1 we are keeping therefore 19. So I wrote here 90. Again you see that which side your number, your decimal is shifting. Your decimal is shifting towards right. If your decimal is shifting towards right, that time you have to write negative exponent. Therefore, minus 19 here. So what you got? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Now next, size of bacteria is given this number. You have to convert it in standard form. So how you can convert? You have to shift this decimal point after first natural number. Here 1 only natural number given. So you have to shift this decimal point after 5. So 5 into 10 raised to. How many places you are shifting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7. Okay. Which side you are shifting? Towards the right. Therefore, minus 7. So, what you got answer? 5 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. Got it? Now, next. What is given here? Size of plant cell is given this big number. Again, convert this into the standard form. Shift your decimal after first natural number. So, what you will get here? First natural number, that means here after 1. So 1 point, next number is 275. 275. Okay. Into 10 raised to. Now here decimal point is shifting after 1. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And which side? Right side. Therefore, minus 5. So what is your answer? Standard form 1.275 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Okay. Now next. Thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. Okay. Mm. So this you have to convert in standard form. How you can convert? This decimal point you will shift first after first natural number. That means after 7. Here. So what you will get? 7 into 10 raised to. How many places you shifted here? 1, 2. So, but which side? Right side. Therefore, minus 2 millimeter. Okay. 7 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is your standard form of this number. Okay. I hope you understood question 3 also. Okay. So, please like, share and subscribe my channel.